Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, today we will start our class. Open the textbook, page 26. Okay, M equal to empty.
N equal to empty.
I equal to K divided by M.
I equal to K divided by M.
Okay, class. Remember your project presentation due next week. Okay, that's all for today.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's start my slide. Maybe after 5 minutes. Just one more video game. Hehehe. Oh no, it's early morning. I forgot to do my assignment.
Hey Adam,
Yes?
are you ready to present today?
Presentation? Oh my god, I forgot to do my slide.
I thought you were to start earlier.
Oh no, this is my fault.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, let's start your presentation. We start with Mimi. Start.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Mimi. Today, I will present for
Okay, Adam. You next.
Sir, honestly,
Yes.
I didn't finish my slide yet.
Why you have not finished your slide?
I forgot, sir.
You made me yesterday's.
Okay, sir, thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a seat first. Adam, what is your problem? Why you have not finished your slide?
Sir, I didn't finish my time well.
You know this is important for your career mark. Next time, I want you to do this time schedule so you can manage your time wisely.
Okay, sir. Next time, I will do better.
Okay. You guys got a new assignment this week, so I hope you can do better than before.
Okay, this time, I will manage my time properly. InsyaAllah. Okay. For now, I will follow this timetable to manage my time wisely. This time, no more study last minute and make exam last minute. InsyaAllah. Let me think. Yo. Nah, not now. I got work to finish. I already make my time schedule. Since I almost failed my last assignment, not repeating that mistake again.
Oh, look at me, bro. It's not as possible now.
Yeah, I finally realized that time will not wait for me. I gotta use it wisely.
Oh, bro.
No more decision. Let's get this done.
Not cool, bro.
Thank you. Finish and on time. Feel good to be alone for once.
Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay. Adam, you next.
Okay, good morning everyone. Today I will present about the importance of saving time and using it wisely. Okay class, that's all from me. Thank you.
Adam, I can see a big improvement from you.
Good job Adam, you did it.
Thank you. I need to manage my time well.